Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Daily Grind, where we study the market together every day. As long as there is a market today, we're gonna be studying it together, and it's a very good day indeed. Ang laki-laki ng panalo ng mga tao kahapon. Everyone, almost everyone na nasa kay ATN is celebrating. Sobrang laki ng panalo kahapon. Yes, I was lucky enough na nakabenta ako doon sa 0.62 at 0.65 was its peak 1.65. Benta ako 1.62. I gave instructions sa chat room to everyone na magbenta na. Right? Ibenta na kasi medyo exaggerated na naman yung galaw niya. So that's being not greedy, right? Ang problema kasi is if hindi ka magbebenta, at least half. That's being greedy because you have meron kang you have that mentality of wanting to win it all, and if you have that mentality, you're gonna be left yung pera niyan magiging bato pa yan. So if you see signs of weakness, I saw that as a sign of weakness ng 1.65 and it's starting to go down, went to 1.60, umakyat ng konti and then hindi na nag-sustain. So that was the weakness I was looking for. I instructed everyone to chat room to sell half already, and everyone in the chat room we're celebrating already. And if you haven't joined the chat room yet, let me share my screen. This is Discord. Download Discord, and then I'm gonna post something sa sa comments. Right, I'm gonna be pinning this comment. And those are the links that you need. And andyan yung Discord chat. After you download the Discord, pwede nyo makita dyan. Search na button dyan, and then search for the link of the Discord group. Also, check out my website, the daily financialfreedom.co, right? And then go to the Daily Grind tab. Every 8 a.m. I post my top picks here. Pwede nyo rin ma-access ang chat room dyan. Right, this is a very interactive it's an interactive website, but at least dyan pwede nyo ma-access yung chat room, yung mga replays andyan din, and then all the relevant links you need andyan yan. So top picks for today are Poppy, TUG, CLI, Telcos. Telcos, hanap pa rin tayo ng position dyan. ATN and ATNB and TBGI, andyan pa rin yan. I'm gonna discuss that in a while. And then eto bago, MPI and APX, tinanggal ko na yung iba kasi gumalaw na. Especially MRC, ilang araw ko tinapik yan sa MRC. Good job sa mga pumasok. Yan, so yan yung topics ko today. Before I go to them, unahin ko muna yung mga comments ninyo. Guys, good morning to my daughter Laika. Good morning, Laika. And to everyone, nagsisimula nang matakpan ang mga comments. So dadaanan ko yung mga comments nyo. Mabuhay po from Albert Reyes, Jolie Gares. Good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Yan, thank you. Joji Martin Vito, good morning. Vic Mayores, good morning po from KSA. Yan, good morning din. Gina Reliano, Mil Sereno, mapagpalang umaga. Sir Lloyd, pasensya na. Still, nahihirapan pa rin ako magtagalog. Darzime MNLC, good morning, sir. Win, please. We'll write that down. Diretso. We'll write that down. Si Win. Yan. Trebs naman, Razon, good morning. Lizel Dipper, Harold Calves, Len Villanueva, Argote, Jerome Amurin, good morning din. Vance Gomez is here, one of my students. Speaking of students, guys, I have classes for this weekend, Friday and Saturday, 8 p.m. yung workshop. I have a workshop. It will be very advantageous for you. I-invest nyo ang pera ninyo doon kaysa mawala pa. And invest in yourself. And you're helping the program at the same time. So please send me a message if you want to join. Yan. Alan, you're welcome. Yan. Sherwin Leno, thanks Lord, laki ng gain kay TBGI. Yes, indeed, ang laki ng gain kay TBGI. You're welcome. Ray Darwin Dantes, good morning. Rex Pakumbala, good morning. Amiel, Glenn Soriano, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Any news po about ATN and TBGI? We're gonna be discussing. Wala pang news naman but let's discuss the strategy for those for those two in a while. All right. Good morning, Sir Lloyd from Enlaika from Rafael. Thank you. Doreen, Grace, Rio, Gelon. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, Haino Jr. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Tataas pa kaya today sa ATN and TBGI. We'll talk about that in a while. Yung reco nyo sa site August 4 po nakadate. Uy, August 4 pala nakadate. Let me edit it. Thank you so much for let me know. Yan, i-edit ko. Bakit August 4 nakadate? August 7 na tayo ngayon. Hindi ko lang pala na-edit yung date. So, site pages, blog posts. Yan. The daily grind. Na-save ko ba yung pics ko? Yeah, I think na-save ko pero on dates lang pala. Thank you, Mil. Thank you for pointing that out. Yan, let me continue. Sir, good morning from Lucid Interval. Good morning. Dendo De Leon, LV Aquino, C. Miranda. Yan, good morning. Vance Gomez, good morning. Rona. Wait. So, Rona, good morning. Poppy Tag, CLI. Telcos, yan. So, August 7 pala to. 7 pala dapat yun, pero napindot ko is 4. I don't know why. Yan, updated na. And Mindy Moore, good morning. Salamat sa sharing your knowledge to us. Your knowledge to us. Yan. You're welcome. I'm very happy that I am helping. It's very fulfilling, really. Right? Rodel, knowing that people are getting rich, so yun na nga let's get rich together, diba? So that is my goal and I'm happy that we are earning together. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. And Laika, GSMI and MRP po from Rodel Remolacio. I'm gonna write that down. GSMI, ang ganda ng galaw ni GSMI lately. Yan. So we'll write that down. Yan, kamustahin natin yung galaw nila. R. Lauren, Richard Pante, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Reco po kay Bloom. Actually, pumasok ko kay Bloom yesterday. Kaya dapat sa si Bloom sa top picks ko dapat. So, I'm gonna write that down also. I-add ko si Bloom sa top picks ko. Kasi kaka-bounce niya lang. Right. So, I'm gonna be adding Bloom. Yan. Bakit hindi ko sinulat yun? Stupid of me. Right. Asan ako? ASN, more power. God bless to all. Thank you. Portia, good morning. Verano Pulmones, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Dami ang naipit kay ATN. About sa naipit kay ATN, let's talk about that. Right? ATN, don't worry if naipit kay ATN. Ganito lang kasi yan eh. If naipit kay sa isang company, you have options to do, di ba? Pwede mong gawin is buy more or you sell. Yun yung cut loss, di ba? Or do nothing. So, what do you do? This is a good company, and the title of the episode today is 8 is the magic number. Bakit 8 is the magic number? Dalawa kasi sa picks natin. Yung top picks ko talaga is ang target price is 8 pesos. Napakalayo pa niyan, di ba? Number 1, una dyan is ATN. Ang target price natin kay ATN, projections with its current business model, aabot ng 8 pesos si ATN. Right? So, 8 pesos. Ano presyo pala ngayon? 1.3. Napakalayo pa ng 8 pesos, 1.3. So, what do you do in these kinds of position? Do you cut your losses? That's not wise. Right? The best, with a good company, the best action you should do if naipit kayo is buy more. Right? It's a good opportunity to be able to buy more. Kaya nga sinasabi ko lagi is, don't go all in. Never go all in. Para may pera pa kayo. Kasi yung pera na yan, if ever the price goes down, may pera pa kayong pang-average down. Right? Kapon, ganito yun. While it was going up at 1.40, 1.50, ganito ginagawa nyo dati. If gusto nyo humabol kasi you believe in that company, hindi yung na-FOMO lang kayo. Yun yung problema. If na-FOMO lang kayo, you're not really clear of your plan, di ba? But if you went in because if you believe in the business model that they have, you know where it is going. So, what you do is, you buy at 1.4, 1.5 to test buy. Kasi hindi mo alam, baka magsiling yun, di ba? So, that's what you do. You buy at 1.4, 1.5. You can do that. But don't go all in. Right? Kasi, if ever it tries to pull back, like yesterday, nag-take profits lang, right? Ang daming taong pumasok dyan nung 1.65, yung 0.65 pa lang yan. Remember, I recommended that a while back. And this is one of my posts last, May 3. Yan, the big news for ATN, yan, kakalabas lang yung news kay ATN. Recommend ko na yan noon. So, ang daming taong pumasok at 0.65 pa lang ito. Right? Pumasok din ako at 0.65. And yesterday was the best time to take profits on some part of your ports kasi sobrang laki na, di ba? So, those people na nakapasok early, we're just taking profits. Yung mga hindi pa nakapasok, it's your time to enter, di ba? So, bumagsak siya 1.3 kasi hindi ka nag-all-in. You still have that money extra para mag-average down. That way, pwede pa gumanda naman yung position nyo. That really is the strategy for these kinds of position. Okay? So, yung mga please don't cut loss. Don't cut your losses as much as possible. And marami ako na nabasa, nag-message sa akin, nag-cut loss ako kay ATN, sir. That shouldn't have been the best strategy para dito. Dapat nag-average down na kayo. Kaya nga dapat huwag kayong mag-all-in lagi. If you just enter the stock and if it's still shaky, at nangihinayang pa kayo or ganun na napakataas na, and you still want to follow, at least mag-test buy lang kayo. Para if whatever happens to the stock, if it goes down, meron kayong pang-average down, you just buy more on a confirmed kung tumaas pa siya talaga. You just buy more sa taas on future retracements, di ba? So that should be your strategy. Pasensya na guys if natatakpan yung ibang mga comments ninyo, but that should be your strategy for ATN. So now it's the best time to average down. Wag muna nga lang. Just wait for it to start bouncing before you average down. Mas maganda yung ganun, hindi yung habang bumababa nag-average down kayo. No, wait for it to bounce before you average down. Imelda Jacob, good morning. Lloyd, Sir Lloyd and Laika, thank you. Albert Panes, good morning, Sir Lloyd. MBT naman. Sige, so let's start with your questions na kaagad kasi natatakpan eh. So, MBT, last ko lang muna si MBT. Let's talk about MBT. Dito tayo. MBT. Let me pull up my indicators. Bollinger Bands. Dito ba yung indicator ko? Wala eh. RSI. Yun. So, we have RSI already. So, let's talk about MBT. Off ko yung ticker para mas malaki yung ano natin. Metrobank, I recommended it yesterday on a breakout status. Yan. Actually, hindi lang yesterday ko na yan recommend dito pa lang. And then, I recommended it again here kasi nagbabounce na siya. And then, I recommended it again kasi nag-breakout and then taas na ni MBT. Alright, so MBT. For sure, MBT is gonna be going up in the future. Pero, as of the moment, medyo malayo-layo na kayo sa uptrend line niya. So, just wait for it to do a retracement before you get in. Right? This is missed opportunity already. Huwag nyo na pusukin yan. Sayang naman. But definitely, MBT, abangan niyo yung pullbacks ng mga yan. Right? So, that's MBT. Yung question kanina is Win. I just don't remember sino. But this is for you. Yan, si Win. We have a doji right here. Ito yung sinasabi ko kahapon. We talked about Win yesterday. Remember it. Even if it's red, look at the base, right? Yung buntot ng unang red is here. And then this one right here, stop right here. So price action-wise is telling us that hanggang dito lang binabagsak ni Win. And look at this. Doji kahapon, umangat si Win kahapon to 3.33. Right? Ang laki ng gain na yan, di ba? Kaso nga lang nag-take profit sa mga tao kasi lumipat kay ATN. But yeah, this is an indicator that buyers are already starting to kick in for Win, and this is your buy time if you're looking at Win, right? And Win is very good. It has very good projection in the future. So, yan, napakagandang position na yan for Win, right? So, Win, a very low risk position right now. So, if you want to test this out, this is a good entry point for Win. Yan. So, yun yung unang question. Next is GSMI. Right, so mga na-skip ko lang ng mga questions. Just post it again. Let me try this. I'm gonna try a different way to... Let me just reload. And tingnan ko if ma-check ko yung future ng mga... what do you call this? Yung mga comments. Let me just reload. And tingnan ko if ma-check ko yung future ng mga... Wala, natatakpan talaga eh. Right, so let's just continue. GSMI is did a breakout yesterday. It's still at the breakout status. So if you habol kay GSMI, use a breakout strategy. Best if you just, this is a very clear uptrend right here, di ba? Best if you just ride that uptrend line right there if ever gusto niyo humabol kay GSMI. But yes, it did break out already. Ang ganda na ng breakout niya, right? So yeah, GSMI definitely still very good. GSMI, ano pa yung next na question nga ulit? MRP. Yan, si MRP naman, been very strong lately si MRP. Yun, nag-breakout na naman si MRP. Yan, last time I recommended MRP was here. Yan, tinapik ko pa nga yan si MRP, di ba? Ayun na, lumakit na. And I will not recommend MRP as of the moment because this is a missed opportunity. So, iwas na muna kayo dyan. Hindi ganyan ang paghabol sa isang stock. Hindi yung habang umaakit na siya. It should be while it's stabilizing at the bottom. Chris Red, good morning, sir, from Spain. God bless. Uy, from Spain. Yung mga kapatid natin OFWs din from Spain. Good morning sa inyo. Maabot na tayo ng Spain. Uy. Yan. Guys, a little request. Uy, 412 yung audience natin ngayon. That's very good. Little request. Hindi pa ako nagre-request, guys, diba? A little request. I hope I earned this. Please share the video. Yun lang ang request ko sa inyong kapalit. Please share the video just to make the program grow. And kasi gusto natin is mas marami pang Pinoy na pumasok sa stock exchange. Kaso nga lang natatakot sila because they don't know what to do. Let's let them know that there are programs like this, like the Daily Grind, who will be guiding them in their journey in the stock exchange, an investment program in their journey to become financially free. Ayan. Please share the video. I hope I've earned that request. And good morning, Hides. Uy, Randy Rosario. Insight po kay X from Randy. Si X naman, ayan. Si X nag-break ng support niya. But we are at major supports. Again, just wait for the bounce kay X. And I did recommend X dito around this area right here. I even said that X, okay pa naman siya. It's at purchase, it's at support area. Kaso nga lang na-break niya. These are things that we cannot predict it. So, just wait for the bounce. Meron naman tayong support area na naman dito. So, just wait for the bounce ni X. So, it might bounce anytime soon. Maganda yung future programs ni X. So, definitely watch out for it. Just wait for a bounce. Jassel Requilio. Uy, good morning, bye. Ayun yung mga classmate ko dito sa nung nursing pa ako sa college. And Jassel, good morning. Right. Elizer Katanggal. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. Romy Cabalar. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Noel Siriacao, have a blessed day ahead, Sir Lloyd. You too. Right. Rani Fuerzas, maing buntag, coach. Buti naman at umakyat rin si IRC. Yan, IRC. If you're a member of the chat room, I did tell people to get in IRC during this time right here, 0.44. Yung average ng mga tao dyan is around 1.48. And look at that. Ang laki na ng panalo. Good job. But IRC right now is very near resistance already. So, I don't want to recommend IRC anymore. Dito pa lang. These are the entry points kay IRC. Yun yung sinasabi ko lagi. The price action is stabilizing here and people are starting to buy at around this area already. Kaso nga lang, wala pa yung volume kaya hindi umakyat. This is how you enter stocks. Hindi while it's already climbing up. Right, so konting ingat lang kay IRC kasi nasa resistance na tayo. So I don't want to recommend this anymore. Edmond Felizardo, good morning. House and Maxis. Yan, si House naman, galing na ng galaw ni House, di ba? I've been recommending House dito, di ba? But now, House is near resistance already. So, iwas na tayo kay House, okay? How about Maxis and Maxis naman, nasa resistance na naman tayo. We already missed this bounce right here. Dapat dito pa lang pumasok na tayo. We've been checking it out, di ba? Remember, nung pula pa ito, I said that this is a smaller red. So, price action is telling us that konti na lang nagbebenta kasi wala pang volume ng buying. And then, that should be a good sign. Baka bounce na ito, di ba? And then, it did. Nagtuloy-tuloy. So, right now, mataas na si Max. Iwas na kayo. R. Lauren Mendoza, BDO, GFC, and MPI. MPI is in my top list. I'm gonna discuss that in a while. BDO naman, BDO, forming an ascending triangle. So, definitely, I'd rather wait for BDO to really break out before entering. But it should break out anytime soon. But wait for the breakout. JFC naman, nag-breakout na sa JFC, guys. Dito pa lang, sinabi ko, buy na kayo kay JFC, di ba? So, it's still okay. 280 pa lang sa JFC. You can buy more if you want to. Yes, this is a confirmation that it's still going up. So, you can buy more ka GFC today. AJ Aquino, TBGI. Right, any outlook? Let's talk about TBGI. Yan, si TBGI, very strong retracement yesterday. But I think this is the retracement already. Same with ATN. This is the retracement we're looking for. This is just people taking profits. And then after the taking profits, and the normal uptrend, the real uptrend should resume and use this breakout as your support for TBGI. Okay? So yan yung anuhin natin, yan yung entrance natin kay TBGI. Nag-take profits na ang mga tao kahapon. Kasi remember, I recommended TBGI here at MA20. Sorry. Recommended it here, especially sa chat room. And that's already 57% gain for them. So it's about time that they take profits. So yeah, nag-take profits lang ang mga andon. And now, this is the retracement. It might bounce today. I'm not really sure. I can't tell the future. But if it bounces today, this is our opportunity to get in. Right? Kasi baka po, umakyat na ito at sasama kay mommy company niya na si ATN at ATNB, di ba? So, yeah, TBGI, watch out for the bounce. Baka magtuloy-tuloy na ito for TBGI. Lani o Lalia, good morning Sir Lloyd. APX, please, napakaganda ng earnings ni APX. Kasi si APX, nasa top pick ko yan ngayon. Si APX, yesterday, very good movement, solid movement. And then nag-breakout siya. Use a breakout strategy for APX. APX, ang ganda ng earnings ni APX. For first half, that is something you should be considering. Ayan, ang laki na ng ginalaw ni APX. Ayan. So, APX, definitely buy for me. So, hanap kayo ng entry. This is one entry point for APX. ISM naman, may nagtatanong about ISM, right? ISM, doing a retracement, but I'm still holding on to ISM kasi may linuluto ito eh. Just really not sure what yet. But, this is an uptrend stock, right? So, wait, if hindi pa kayo nakapasok, definitely check out, wait for the bounce. Pag nag-bounce ito, then that will be your entry point for ISM, okay? So, ISM, nagre-retrace lang, tsaka yung meron kasi yung bad news na nagalit si Duterte sa nito eh. So, that was one factor that caused the pullback of ISM, but definitely, ISM is still very good, okay? So, okay pa rin si ISM bilhin. Just wait for the bounce if you haven't gotten in yet. So, ISM. Lucid ka-interval na share na po, sir. Thank you so much for sharing. And Alan Clark Capistrano. Good morning, sir. SMPH, very good earnings yesterday. Na lumabas na yung earnings nila. So, that's an ascending triangle right there. So, pwede nyo pasukin yan sa SMPH. MBT, we talked about it already. H2O naman, bumagsak eh. So, just wait for the bounce lang muna tayo kay H2O. Nagtatouch siya sa Bollinger Band niya. So, delikado baka bumagsak palalo. So, just cut your losses if you have to. Right, H2O. Yan. Jerome Amorin Gamboa, finished sharing, Sir Lloyd. Thank you. Mildred Gonzalez de Suyo, done. Yan. Thank you so much for sharing. So, mga kakapasok lang, please share the video. Yan. Yun lang yung request ko. Yan. Done. From Mildred. Thank you. Elizer Katanggal. How about APX, sir? Maganda po entry kahit medyo uptrend na. Yes, just wait for an uptrend. Use a breakout strategy for APX. But if you're a position trader, yan, that's one good position. Pero the best would be this uptrend line right here. If lalapit yan dyan, mas maganda. If ganun. Right? But with the news kahapon, baka magtuloy-tuloy eh, diba? So, people started to take profits already yesterday. That's why you see this long wick right here. Yan. Kaya may nakikita kayo mataas na wick dyan kay APX. So, baka magtuloy-tuloy na yan, right? So, just use a breakout strategy. You can use this as your support, and your support number 2 is that uptrend line right there. So, use that as your supports for APX. So, Len Villanueva, how about STI, sir? Yun, STI, medyo pababa pa eh. Look at that. That's a downtrend right there. And this is not an engulfing candlestick. But we have a support right there. So, I guess this is okay. The support right here. Pero, I'd rather wait for you to wait for a breakout na lang. It's downtrend right here. And it's still hitting its downtrend right there. Pero, bumabagal na yung downtrend niya. This is the main downtrend. Nag-break na pala yung downtrend niya. Starting to form a rounded bottom, pero wala pa, hindi pa siya nagbe-breakout talaga. It's doing a rounded bottom right here. 1, 2, 3. It's a rounded line right there. Yeah, we make a new one. Yan. Nag-start na siya mag-rounded bottom, right? So that's a rounded bottom for STI. That's started rounded bottom. So anytime soon, baka mag-breakout na yan. So, but wala pa. So don't go in yet. Good morning, sir. How about FNI? Hen Francia, FNI. FNI is doing good. Right, kahapon, nag-doji siya. But this is at support level still. So FNI is still very shaky. Just buy as long as this support holds for FNI. Look at that bounce right there for FNI. People are considering this very cheap. But look at this right here. This is a hidden convergence dito. Right? Bumababa yung closing prices niya. Pero RSI is starting to go up. So that's starting to look bullish already for FNI. Actually, double bottom yan. Diba? Not really that clear of double bottom kasi mas bumaba pa. This was this double bottom point. So lang bumaba siya. But right now, it's looking good. So FNI, buy as long as the support holds. Right? 2.04. As long as 2.04 holds, that's good. Right? May development si FNI. A China company has bought shares kay FNI. Ang laki ng binili nila. So that's a very good sign for FNI. So okay naman. Rio Montaño is asking about food. May bad news si food eh. So, umiwas muna kayo. This is what I've been talking about. Bumaba si food. Tignan nyo. Bumaba siya dahil doon sa bad news na yun. So, I don't think this will hold for the meantime. But we can't be sure. Let's see if this MA20 holds kay food. But iwas na muna kay food as for me. Sir, ano yung top picks today? Top picks for today are Poppy, TAG, CLI. The telcos yan for this week. ATN, ATNB, TBGI, we're gonna be discussing that in a while. MPI and APX. Si APX na di-discuss ko na. Si MPI naman, kaya magic number natin, yung 8 today is because very good earnings, kaka-retrace lang niya, napakaliit lang na retracement kasi MPI, very solid earnings, very solid performance ng company in the first half compared to last year. Target price natin, fair value ng MPI is nasa 8 pa at hindi nyo matatanaw yan to the moon. Yung sa amin lang to the moon. But yeah, I'm not hyping. Yes, really, the fair value of MPI, according to Cole, I'm not an expert in those research, but the fair value of MPI is nasa 8 pesos pa. Hindi pa matatanaw ng chart. So, yung 8 na yan, to the moon. Layo-layo pa ng MPI na i-aakyat ni MPI. So definitely MPI is in one of my picks, especially sa mga kaka-start pa lang ng stock exchange, the newbies out there. I want you to start with investments, and this is one good company to invest in. I've been recommending this since the start of my website. Yan, PSE long-term picks. Andyan yung long-term picks ko. Isa dyan is si MPI because MPI is a solid company. If you wanna get start with these companies right here. Right? Isa yan sa MPI sa mga umpisahan nyo. Si JFC umaakyat na since I posted this page, right? Wala nga lang date dito, but JFC ang taas na, right? And URC ang taas na. And BDO is already going up. Ayala, SMPH when I started this blog right here. But you can still get in because these are long-term picks. Projection natin yan is 5 to 8 years. I think i-add ko dito sa ATN eh. But ATN is not yet considered a blue chip. So, but yeah, I think I'm gonna be adding ATN there. Michael Louis Lim is asking about RLT. Yun yung isa sa picks ko today ha. Top picks ko ngayon is MPI. Mag-buy more na kay MPI. You know me, if you know me, dito pa lang, recommend ko na yun si MPI. This is the second time I recommended MPI and yan, ang taas na. I will be recommending it again. I'm not hyping. I don't hype. Alright? So, MPI. Dyan. RLT naman. Yeah, RLT. Good company. Look at that volume. Very good volume kahapon. Kaso nga lang, nag-doji lang siya. But RLT definitely is a buy. Buy as long as this support holds. Daming bumili kay RLT noong bumagsak siya dito. Kaso nga lang, wala pang bumibili ng mas mahal. People, ang daming nag-aabang dito at 0.49. This is why napakalaking volume at hindi siya gumalaw. Right? Ang daming tao nag-aabang kay RLT. And once this, just buy as long as this support holds for RLT. Definitely, RLT is a good buy. Lani o Lalia, natakpan yung comment mo, Lani, sorry about that. Richel Reyes SecB is asking about SecB. And SecB, Security Bank. So far, okay naman. It's buy as long as this support holds. This is a higher low right here. If you want to get in SecB, that's your entry point right there for SecB. DD naman, LV Aquino, si DD naman, right, nag-retrace, but look at the price action. Umabot siya nandito and then bounced from there. Pula siya, pero kahit pula yan, look at this. These are higher lows for DD. So meaning, at this area, 26.53, pumapasok na yung mga buyers. So that's a good sign. Hindi na siya umabot sa support niya. So DD might bounce anytime soon. Antay lang tayo ng green. Then that's our entry point. DD is already on an uptrend right here, guys. Yan. So DD is already on an uptrend. So that's the trend of DD. Kaya umaakit na siya at that area right there. So DD, wait for the green or you can wait for the green one and then pumasok na kayo. Malayo-layo pa yung tatakbo ni DD. Napakamura ni DD as of the moment, right? So DD definitely is already on an uptrend. Dan sharing, Sir Lloyd from Krishna. Rap Singh, thank you so much. What is breakout strategy? Buy on breakout? Yes, that's per Martin. Bobo is buy on breakouts. May mga nagagalit eh. So Bobo means buy on breakouts. What is breakout strategy? Please go to my YouTube channel and then, or go to YouTube, search for Lloyd Bazar on breakouts. Meron dyang video about me teaching you how to deal with breakouts. Dane Catalma is asking about MRC. Medyo mataas na si MRC, guys. Yeah, I've been recommending it here. Don't chase missed opportunity. This is already a missed opportunity. I don't want you to chase it anymore, but I think MRC is gonna go up today still. If ever gusto nyo habulin yan, yeah, pwede nyo intraday yan. Bollinger Band triggered. Very good volume. Look at this. 4 days of good volume right there. Right? Dito pa lang, recommend ko na sa MRC. Sana pumasok kayo doon. Right? Top picks ko yan if you wanna review my top picks. Quintas, Sun po. Christian is asking about Sun. Buy as long as the support holds for Sun. So nga lang, downtrend na nakikita ko kay Sun. If you wanna test out Sun, this is the best entry point dyan. I don't want to recommend Sun though. So maybe I'll just wait for Sun to show an uptrend before really getting in kay Sun. Okay? So I'm not recommending Sun as of the moment. Jewel Dudes, good morning Sir Lloyd. How about CHP? Tapos na ba yung bad news na sinasabi nyo? Naputol eh. Hindi ko nabasa lahat. CHP naman, yan, uptrend na si CHP eh. Umaakit na siya. They're very good reversal. This is missed opportunity already, kaya tinanggal ko si CHP. Thank you so much sa nag-follow. For those who haven't followed me yet and liked my page yet, please like it. Tulad ni Gerson Padilla who just subscribed to my channel, to my Facebook page. Thank you so much. Welcome to my page. Yan. Missed opportunity na si CHP. Let's just wait for a retracement and a higher low para pumasok tayo kay CHP, okay? Wag muna kay CHP. Dito pa lang, recommend ko na yan. So, medyo mataas na. VLL naman from Jamestown Bostre. VLL. Look at VLL, guys. We are showing higher lows already right here. So, as long as the support holds, look at that Bollinger Band. Very beautiful. One of my favorite setup kay Bollinger Band. Napakaganda ng ganito on an undervalued stock. That's usually very good wins. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan ito aakyat. But you have to find your position now. Look at that stabilization right there. So, magsa-sideways yan, most probably. So, get in while it's at support still. This is a very good setup for an undervalued stock. VLL is an undervalued stock. Albert Reyes is asking about LR. Still, LR is a buy for me. And andyan naman tayo sa support. Yeah, so, buy as long as that support holds right there. Yan yung ginagawa niyang support ngayon. But the main support is right here. LR, this price right here is the original price nung wala pa yung project ni kay Boracay. Umakyat siya dahil sa project kay Boracay. Kaso nga lang nagka-scare about the bad news na hindi pwede ang casino. But tuloy ang project kay kay LR sa Boracay. So, this was no project. This is a price with the project. So, you weigh the odds, right? So, napakaganda pa rin yun. So, ang presyo niya dito was without the project. This is the price with the project. So, you know that with the project, pag natapos na yan, aakyat yan. So, better position na kayo dyan kay LR. That's a very good support for LR. Pinky Season, MHC. Been recommending MHC for a while now. Medyo mataas na. So, at malapit na siya sa resistance. So, iwas na muna kay MHC. Lenny Olalia, green ako kay MPR, sir, since March ko hawak. That's very good. This is an opportunity to buy more kay MPI. Right? Long-term nyo yan. Pete Flores, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Watching from Saudi Arabia. Yun, mga kapatid natin from Saudi Arabia. Good morning sa inyo. Esteban Nauj, 508 for the first time. Umabot ang daily grind ng 512 viewers. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Very overwhelming. Thank you so much for this support, guys, sa inyo. Froilan Olivera, hi sir, MRC po at IRC sell na po ba si MRC and IRC? Napakaaga nyo naman magbenta. No, there's no signs of weakness yet. Right? This is one of the biggest mistakes sa newbies, right? Selling too early. Don't do that. I know the gains can be overwhelming. Yes, this is how many gains. Kung pumasok kayo sa recommendations ko for MRC, this is 17% gains. Kasi karamihan ng newbies, this is their first time on winning this much. Kaya nangangati na yung kamay para magbenta. Guys, one of the biggest mistakes of a newbie is selling too early. Don't do that. Right? If ever, I know this is new for you. The emotions are new for you. So, I know mangangati kayo sa pagbenta. If you're happy, sell it. But don't sell all. Sell 50% of your stocks para lang mawala yung katinyo sa pagbenta, right? Especially for newbies. You'll get better in the future. The best action should be that kung habang wala pang signs of weakness, don't sell it, right? If you see a retracement dito, pwede ka mag-trailing stop loss, and then if bumaba yan, then that's when you sell, right? That will be the wise move. Kasi baka magtuloy-tuloy yan, you're already out of the trade. So that is an important lesson I want to impart with you today. Alright, so yan, lapit na tayo sa 5.0. John Naredo, anong stock to? Alright, good morning, Sir Merpo. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan mo kasi naka-incheck si Chin Chansu. Yun yung tawag ko lang sa iyo, si Chin Chansu. MER. Joke lang yun na. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan mo. It's in Chinese. I don't know how to read Chinese. I know how to speak some Chinese. Right, Ho Chaki, which is in good morning sa Fukien. And MER. Yan, MER naman, nagsistabilize MA20. So, MER, this is a good area to buy. Look at the price action. Pumapasok ang mga tao at 368, now at 367, 368. So, that's our possible support area. Let's see if mag-green siya. Pag nag-green yan, pasok kayo kay MER, right? 500 viewers na. Yes, Janice, thank you so much. 523. Yan. Sa mga kakapasok lang, please share the videos para dumami pa yung audience natin. The more, the better. Kasi mas maraming Pinoy ang papasok sa stock exchange. Erwin Arcedillo, MRC and SLI po, Sir Lloyd. MRC, we talked about it already. Yan, mataas na yan. SLI naman. SLI, yan, may resistance sa SLI. Gumagawa siya ng resistance right there. So, just wait for a breakout for SLI, okay? Very good move for SLI. So, that's a very good position. Look at this, MA20 bounce. MA20 bounce. Yan, ang galing ng MA20, di ba? So, MA20 bounced right there and held on this resistance right here. Kaso nga lang, this is a very strong resistance. Right? Very strong resistance right here. So, baka hindi niya, baka it will lose steam on keeping on testing that resistance and baka bumagsak. So, I just want you to wait for it to really break that resistance before getting in for SLI. Romel Dizon, good morning po. And John Kevin Carpio, more power. Thank you. Eddie, ang bilis ng comments. Right. LRD Palacio, we talked about this already. Sorry, sir, late. Meg MBT. Si Meg, iwas kayo kay Meg. Right. Yun, isang nahuli ko. Napakabilis ng comments, guys. Natatakpan. I'm really sorry about this. Mega World, right here. We are seeing, guys, I want to discuss with you. This is a pattern right here. This is a head and shoulder pattern. We have this shoulder right here. Ito yung ulo niya. We have a lower high right here. And bumagsak na siya after hitting this. This is another resistance. This is a bad sign for Meg. This is a head and shoulder pattern. So, baka tapos na yung uptrend ni Meg and baka mag-sideways na ito or magbumaba ulit. So, iwas na muna kay Meg, alright? If you have Meg, this is a signal to sell kay Meg, right? You can use the MA20 as your support if bumaba pa talaga yan. Kasi hindi naman 100% tama or mali ito. But if bababa pa ito sa MA20 niya, sell it already, okay? Use the MA20 as your support for Meg. So, that's for Meg. Iwas na muna. Joel Dudes, thanks for the fast reply. You're welcome. Sam Salonga, Emperador po. Si Emperador, nag-take profits lang ang mga tao, but definitely, Emperador is already going strong right here. yung mga nagpula na yan, ito yung mga pumasok dito at nainip, right? I've been recommending Emperador here, partly kasalanan ko yung mga nainip na yan. Right, but yeah, 5% gain, yan, umabot siya ng 5%, nag-take profits lang, most probably yung mga nag-ipon dito kasi gustong sumali kay ATN, kay binenta yung mga stocks nila. But right now, tapos na yung sell-off after the news. Emperador, very good earnings, still very good company to get into, still very low risk. Look at that right there sa support niya. That's just 4% away. Pwede na kayo mag-cut loss. So very low risk still for Emperador. Just wait for the green and then pumasok kayo kay Emperador. Excuse me muna. Maka Bien is asking about MRP. Nag-breakout nga pala tayo sa 500 na viewers. So, thank you so much for the support, MRP. And MRP, missed opportunity already. Nag-breakout na siya. If you still wanna get in, pwedeng using that, right there, using a breakout strategy, but napakataas na yung MRP, right? So, I'd rather wait for a retracement. Dito ko, tinapik ko si MRP when it showed this doji right here, pero medyo mataas na si MRP. So, ingat na dyan. If you still wanna get in, use a breakout strategy. ISM, wait for the bounce lang. Kay ISM, we went through that already. Si Ko is asking about OR, and si OR naman, buy as long as that support holds. Bernard Veloso from Dubai. Norby Inocencio, galing, thank you. Emil, 521 na, yes, nag-breakout na tayo, parang sa ATN kahapon eh. Rodel, thank you so much, guys. I'm very grateful for your support. I'm happy that this program is really becoming successful. Alma, Rodel, thank you so much. 500 viewers na tayo. Ayan. Emily Golciano, congrats Sir Lloyd, 589 yan, nag-breakout. Good morning, Sir Lloyd, watching from Dubai yan. Good morning, Joe Ligares, thank you so much. Dami na tayong yayaman, tutok na kay Sir Lloyd. Huwag kalimutan, si Laika. Yan, good morning din sa daughter kan si Laika. Yan, dami na tayong yayaman. Sir Lloyd, TBGI po and MBTS. I'm gonna talk about my top picks. Yan. Si ATN and TBGI. Si ATN, guys, wanna talk about this. Anong pwede natin gawin kay ATN? Because this is the hottest stock right now on PSE. So kahapon, ATN, a little story about ATN. Kahapon, it went as high as 36% from its previous closing. Right? Nag-gap up pa nga siya and it was unstoppable from that point on. Nung 36 na 1.65, pinakataas niya inabot. Now, it did retrace after that. So, right now, nasa 1.33 na siya. What do we do? Do we buy more or do we sell sa mga nakapasok na? Ang story kasi dito is, matagal ko na itong na-recommend eh. So, and others know about the story of ATN already, regardless of my recommendation or not. Marami nang pumasok dyan. 165 was the about time for people to take profits. Right? Nag-take profits lang sila, but overall, ATN, to the moon yan. Yesterday, we talked about ATN sa last episode natin yesterday. I did say that I don't see any reason why you should not have ATN in your ports. I am saying that still. Guys, napakaganda talaga ng projection. If you want to research it for yourself, kasi it sounds too good to be true, yes, it's too good to be... No, it's not too good to be true. It's true, really. Ang ganda ng business model nila. Right? They have a land sa Rizal. It took a while for them to really get that permit sa government para gawing gawing economic zone yung lugar na yan. Ang problema kasi dyan was, yung lugar na yan, yung lupa nila is napakalaki, pero kabukiran. Right? It's mountains and mountains. So, they have a plan to make it an economic zone. And then, so, to make it an economic zone, kasi bukid yan, they have to really destroy the mountains. That's why, ang tagal ng battle niyan sa DNR to get the permits to destroy the mountains. It's kind of sad that they have to destroy the the mountains, but it's for Philippines economy. So, it has to meet some, it has to make a little amends din naman, diba? So, yun, that fact alone, kahit gigibayin lang yung bukid, the mountains alone is mountains on mountains of rocks. Those rocks is very good aggregates. Alam niyo yung build. Napaka-aggressive ng government natin ngayon sa development. And where are they gonna get the rocks? Kay ATN. Ang dami ng contracts for ATN. Sila Henry C. doon na pumasok kay ATN because of this. Right? So, they have so much supply of rocks. From those rocks alone, sa paggiba lang ng bukid, billions na every year ang makikita nila. Right? From the rocks alone. And after the land is flat already, they're gonna be developing it. Right? So, doble. Walang waste sa lupa nila. Sobrang ganda talaga ng business model nila. That's why ang ganda ng projection for ATN. Aabot daw siya ng 8%, 8 pesos in the coming years. So I don't really see any reason why you should not have ATN in your ports. Right? So is it wise to buy today? It's at 1.33. I think this is the retracement already. I think ATN is gonna bounce again soon. But let the price action do the talking. If makikita nyo umaakyat na naman yan, that's the bounce already. Right? This is the retracement already, but it just happened within the day. Usually, retracements kasi 2 days, 3 days. Eto, this is a very strong retracement already. Right here. Hindi tulad kay now, na speculative yung pag-akyat niya. Kaya walang laman yung pag-akyat niya. It was a bubble and it burst. After it burst, bumagsak. Diba? Ang daming naipit. This one naman, ATN, this is just normal. This is not a bubble. Right? May laman talaga siya. Hindi lang siyang bubble. May laman yung pag-akyat ni ATN. Right? I hope that's clear. So, this is not a bubble. This is just people taking profits. So, I don't think it's gonna go down anytime soon. If it goes down, then that's good kasi makakabili pa ako ng mas marami when it goes down. But I don't think it's gonna go down still. But let the price action do the talking, not me. Right? Pag nag-green yan today, pasukin nyo na, please. Right? So, yan. But if papasok pa lang kayo, don't go all in. Right? Kung kakapasok nyo pa lang, huwag kayo mag-all in. Pero doon sa mga pumasok na sa baba and then took profits here and bumagsak na siya here, pag nag-green yan, it's your opportunity to buy more sa napakamura pa niyan. Really. Right? This is not a bubble. This is not a hype. Right? Yan yung kay ATN. Same with ATNB, same story. And then, TBGI. Ito si ATN kasi if ever wala yan sa ATNB na yan, nag-ceiling na yan sa ATN. Pero dalawa sila, kaya na-divide yung volume niya. So, TBGI, mommy company niya sa ATN, sumasama siya kay ATN. So, same with TBGI, you can use a breakout strategy for TBGI. If ever umakyat yan, use the price action, pwede kayong pumasok pa. Right? So, same strategy with TBGI. So, I hope that's clear for ATN and ATNB and TBGI. Yung telco naman ng mga recommendations ko ngayon, it's speculative. This is for trading, yung telcos na yan. Kasi this week daw maglalabas ng final draft and usually pag may drafts na lumalabas and whenever it favors now or ECP, umaakit yung mga yan. So, wag muna pumasok. Just wait for the news pero abangan nyo lang yan. Kaya andyan yan si telco. CLI is here. Silbulan Masters. Guys, this is higher lows right here. If you see that right there, these are higher lows. So, CLI, napakaganda ng mga projects nila in the future. So, yeah, just test buy kay CLI. Huwag kayong mag-all-in naman. Right, so CLI. And then Tags naman, andyan pa rin si Tags sa top picks ko. Tags, yes, I want to talk to you about breakouts. Diba, pag breakouts, this resistance, previous resistance becomes a support. Now, look at what happened. Nag-breakout, nag-pull back. Yan, I did tell you to try to look for a bargain. Look at that. Bumaba siya, but look saan siya. Tingnan nyo saan siya nag-bounce. This is the beauty of breakouts. That previous resistance becomes a support. And when it hit that previous resistance, nag-bounce na siya. So, I think Tags is gonna bounce, continue this bounce. Pag nag-green na yan, that's your entry point for Tags. But this is and use this as your support for Tags. Next up is Poppy. Kaso nga lang, bumaba si Poppy after that strong move the other day. But Poppy right here has this strong support right here. So, Poppy. Definitely, Poppy is a very good company. Also, napakagandang project na yan. So, this is your opportunity to buy more kay Poppy. Buy as long as this support holds. If ever naman hindi nyo ma-hold ang support, if you're in it for trading, then you can cut loss. But I tell you, I'm in Poppy for long term, right? Napakaganda rin ng ng project ni Poppy. Right, so, punta tayo. My Queen, yan. Isa sa lista ko, sa topics ko rin si Bloom. Why Bloom? Bloom has bounced. Kaya, recommend ko si Bloom ngayon. After this strong move right here, look at that. That's why I love MA20. MA20 bounce for Bloom. So, this is your opportunity to buy more if ever pumasok kayo dito when I recommended it. If ever hindi pa kayo nakapasok, test buy lang kayo dito. Use the MA20 as your support for Bloom. Right? Huwag kayong magka-cut loss kaagad. Antonio, recommendations niyan. Roel Isidro, 530 viewers. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Harry, James, Almares, SSI. Sir, yun si SSI. Let's talk about SSI. I removed SSI sa recommendations ko ngayon because SSI is already too high and we're at resistance levels right there. Good job sa mga pumasok on this bounce right here. Bounce right here. Bounce right here. Recommended it here. I recommended it again here. Nag-bounce na siya. This is a missed opportunity already for SSI. Huwag nyo muna habulin yan. If you want to chase after it, wait for a new higher low and dun yung entry point natin. Mahaba-haba pa yung possible aakyatin ni SSI. Right. So, SSI, definitely on an uptrend. Pwede nyo sakin ng uptrend. Just wait for your opportunity to get in. Right? Roxanne is asking about Vita. Yan, si Vita. Let's talk about Vita. And si Vita is showing this support right here. Right. So, buy as long as this holds kay Vita. Pag nag-green yan, pasukin nyo sa Vita. You can test buy Vita already. Very good company. Very good projection for the future. After the rehabilitation, yan, umaakyat na siya. Nag-stabilize lang presyo niya. But this is already very cheap for its projection. So, okay naman si Vita. Hindi pa lang hinog. Right. Salamat, Sir Lloyd. You're welcome. Oli Tags. Roll Isidro, recommendations. Lloyd Bazar recommendations. Nasa website. Sige, ilagay ko na lang dito din. My recommendations, really, top picks and then buy as long as the support holds and breakouts. Yun yung mga magagandang positions. This is basically meant for position trading. Yan yun. Pero look at the top picks. Yan yung pwede nyong tignan talaga. ALI, Oli Tags is asking about ALI. Napakaganda na earnings ni ALI. Lumabas is 18% and when that news came out, look at that bounce kay ALI. So if you still want to chase for ALI, just wait for it to do a breakout sa previous resistance niya. Pag nag-breakout yan dyan, that's your entry point for ALI. This was the best entry point for ALI. This stock is on an uptrend. Right? So okay na yan. Just wait for the breakout na lang kay ALI if ever na-miss nyo yung bus. Right? Sir Lloyd, AC po. Same with AC. Hence, AC naman, nagre-retrace pa, showing resistance right here. So, pag nag-bounce yan, buy kayo for AC. Ako si Yatsky ATN, we talked about that already. Sam Bugoyski, goodbye na po ba si EDC? EDC, let's see if goodbye na ba siya. Let's look at the technicals. No. I don't know bakit nawawala ang RSI ko, but doble na yan for sure. Yan. Nawawala RSI. I don't know. Is it a bug or something? RSI says, not yet. Kulang pa ng konti, but we can't be sure. Right? Baka mag-bounce na yan anytime soon. We have a support right here. So, baka ito yung maging support niya. Diba? So, EDC, wait lang. RSI still not saying that it's good to buy already. I want to see an engulfing before really getting in EDC kasi downtrend pa ito eh. So, pangit pa muna sa EDC. Iwas muna kay EDC, right? Kemwell, Boramio, nawala. Michael Gabi, Sir Lloyd, how about BHI? Sorry about that, Michael. Can you please post your comments again? Natatakpan kasi eh. BHI, yan. Si BHI did a solid rally yesterday but nag-retrace lang. Buy as long as the support holds for BHI. Definitely, very good price still for BHI. Next resistance ng views is 1K. Yan, yung sunod resistance natin. Watching from KSA, JR Karuyan. Konting info naman po, sir, kay Now at ECP. Now and ECP, these are speculative stocks as of the moment, right? So, si Now, may support siya dito. Let's see what happens kay Now. If you wanna buy Now, wait for a green. And maganda na yung presyo na 8 for Now eh. I think Now has okay na psychologically. 8 for the value of Now is already good. Kaso nga lang, this is still speculative. Let's see if
aakyat ito. I don't really want to recommend getting into this for a long term yet. But for trading, definitely may opportunity dito for trading ba as long as the support holds kay now. Right? Dalawang beses niya na natatouch yung Bollinger Bands niya. So, I think baka mag-downtrend pa ito. But we are already at support level. So, with the news coming out, paglalabas yung news, I think now gagalaw yan. So, it will be good for trading. But, yun, konting ingat lang muna. Same with ECP. ECP kind of speculative still. Yan, it broke its support right here and bumabagsak si ECP. Especially with the news na madedelay na naman yung third telco, but we have a cup and handle forming right here. So, let's see. Let's wait. Let's wait muna. Wag muna. Antayin natin yung news. Changi Teves is asking about Med. Uy, it's 9:13. Napakabilis ng ang bilis ng oras. Right. Med. Still, ito yung sinasabi ko, don't underestimate bullish stocks. Nag-touch ng Bollinger Band niya and nag-Bollinger Band na naman. Kaso nga lang, it's stuck at its resistance. If you wanna get in mid, pwede nyo intraday yung position na yan and then use a breakout strategy. Right? Pag umangat yan intraday, pwede nyo pasukin and then just cut loss below that resistance right there. So, med, intraday lang muna. Medyo mataas na yan. Right? I'd rather wait for a retracement. Sir Lloyd, thanks for recommendation ATN. You're welcome. Hendrix, nawala yung sino yung nag-comment noon, hindi ko nabasa ang pangalan. Hendrix Romantico, natatakpan. Sobrang bilis. Sir Lloyd, MRC, we talked about MRC already. Jerome, medyo mataas na. Joson Aquino, open na. T and Ion, really sorry about sa mga natatakpan. Just comment it again. T naman, at MA20, delikado pulahan it broke below MA20 yesterday. So, if you wanna get in, pag nag-green yan, yes, and then use MA20 as your support. Ion naman, si Ion, ayan, sinasabi natin, delikado si Ion. We're seeing lower highs kay Ion. Delikado si Ion. I think Ion is gonna do a reversal for the meantime. So, wag muna kay Ion, right? Almost 550 views. Thank you so much. Bobby Oracion, Bukid. Rodel, no. Bukid, which is bundok sa Tagalog. Ay, okay. Hindi pala Akala ko Tagalog word yung bukid Bundok pala yun. Yan. Sir Lloyd, please post stock codes of your recommendations for those who cannot access the yan. Yun. Pinost ko na. How about sorry about that. Na-click ko. AB sir and CA. Si AB naman. AB. Atok Big Wedge, yan. Recommend ko yan dito pala sa support. Umakit na si Atok Big Wedge. Use a breakout strategy for AB. And then si Concrete Aggregates naman, if you want to check my recommendations, ilang araw ko na yung Reneco dito, yan, build yan. Aggregates. Grabe ang aggregates ngayon. Isa yan sa reason bakit umakit si ATN. Kasi yung mga bato nila, Concrete Aggregates yun. Diba? So, yun, umaakit si Concrete Aggregates din. Medyo malapit na siya sa resistance. So, iwas na muna tayo. Let's just wait for a retracement. This was the best entry point when I recommended CA right here. So, tinanggal ko na sa CA, right? Yun. Lilian, STR. Si STR, kamustahin natin. STR, bumababa pa rin sa support niya. So, ingat muna kay STR. If you wanna get in, buy as long as that support holds. Pero, I don't wanna recommend STR. Go for VLL instead. Right. SMPH, very good news. And you can get in already if you want to be sure. Just wait for a breakout. But I think it's gonna do a breakout with its news. Right. ABS, yan. Bastuloy. ABS. Right. So ABS did a breakout. We recommended it here sa retracement niya. That's already an uptrend. Again, same with Lopez. If you remember 2 weeks ago, I recommended Lopez as my top picks dito pa lang sa support niya. And look at that. Lopez has been unstoppable for how many days already, diba? So Lopez, just wait for a retracement. This stock is on an uptrend, guys. Napakalakas ng uptrend na niyan. Asa na to? Boss, what's the best time to buy with SOR? Opening or closing? Closing mas maganda. CA from Drake, Dan O'Neill, SMPH, Alan Ibarbia, good morning sir PLC. Si PLC naman, uptrend na si PLC Let's see what happened. Yan, uptrend na si PLC. This is confirmation you're looking for. I've been recommending PLC to buy as long as the support holds. That's the confirmation right there. Pasok na kay PLC. GT Cap, si GT Cap, iwas muna kayo. Pangit yung projections kay GT Cap. So I don't want to recommend GT Cap as of the moment. Naglalag na yung ano ko. So I think GT Cap is gonna go down. So pangit pa yung news niya. So now we talked about now, buy as long as that support holds, pero antayin nyo lang talaga yung TOR and see. Let's antayin yung price action when the TOR comes out. Nance Balejo, sir, hi Sir Lloyd, how about Costco? Yan, si Costco. Yan, Costco. Yan, we have a support for Costco. Yan, sinasabi ko, wait for the breakout muna kay Costco. Wait for the breakout kasi if hindi mag-breakout, baka bumalik sa support. And now it's at support and it's bouncing at support. So buy as long as support holds na tayo ngayon kay Costco, di ba? So Costco, buy as long as that support holds for Costco. Morning, sir. Happy Monday. MBT from Hendrix. We talked about MBT already. But a little review about MBT, medyo mataas na. So, iwas muna kay MBT. Just wait for it to do a retracement, right? Or you can use this breakout. You can use a breakout strategy for MBT. Hendrix, paano yung breakout play ng MBT? Yeah, Hendrix, at yung breakout play ng MBT is this is the previous resistance. Pwede yan ang gawin mong support para at least yung risk mo maliit lang, di ba? So, that's the breakout strategy for MBT. Food, iwas kay food, may pangit na news kay food. Romy Cabalar, AGI, sir, thank you. Yan, sa AGR, hindi pa natin nadadaanan ito. AGI slowly going up. Yan, definitely is already on an uptrend right there, si AGI. Kaso nga lang, napakabagal ng galaw ng AGI. But if you're into AGI, dito pa lang, recommend na natin yan. Umaakit siya. Kaso nga lang, ang bagal eh. Cecilio Flores is asking about ISM. ISM, wait for the bounce. Yan, si ISM, nagre-retrace, wait for the bounce lang muna. Drew, MBT, yan. AB and CA, sir, we talked about those already. Drake, STR, Lilian, MAH po, sir, from Beng, Umali, MAH. It's 9:19. So, last 5 minutes, guys, I'm gonna go through your questions. MAH naman, bumabagsak pabalik sa support. So, just wait for a bounce kay MAH muna, right? Wait lang for the bounce. Tito, Sir Lloyd, pa-shoutout naman po. Wife ko, ayan. Let me see if na-copy-paste ko yon. Napakabilis eh. Ay, hindi ko na-copy. Really sorry. Damn. I wish there's a way for me to review the comments. Sobrang bilis ng comments. At yung isang pangit dito. Let me see if I'm gonna look for a way to pull. May nagpapa-shoutout sa wife nila eh. Really sorry about that. Let me see if ever merong way to review that comment. Kailangan may testing lang ako. Let's see if this is better. Yun, can we angry, sir? Pa-shoutout naman po sa wife ko, si Francia Borlaza, and to my 8-year-old son na si Chris Angelo Borlaza. Bata pa lang, may hilig na, nagte-technical analysis na. Wow, galing, 8 years old. Yan, mas bata pa nagsimula kay Sakay, sa idol ko, nakalimutan ko pangalan, kay Berkshire Hathaway. Wala yung pangalan ko. Can we? Yan. Definitely. Can we? Good morning sa pamilya ninyo. Very good start at 8 years old. Yan. Amazing. Drake, Win po, sir, from Cavite. Si Win naman. Yan. Si Win, buy as long as the support holds for Win. Josh ABS is asking about FNI. Yan, sa FNI, buy as long as that support holds for FNI. Tito Ogong, Sir Lloyd, pa-shoutout naman po sa wife ko. Yan, nabasa na natin yan. Ted Marvin Dayonot, ayan. MRC po, we talked about MRC. That's a missed opportunity already. Medyo mataas na. It's not good for trading. Right? You can use a breakout strategy. Pag nag-breakout yan today, pwede nyo gawin ang breakout strategy. Drake, Win. Thanks, Sir Lloyd from Joel Gares. Win from Cavite. PIP po and Emperador from Aba. Yun. Si Emperador naman, wait for the bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan, pwede napasukin niya si Emperador. Si PIP naman, Wait for the bounce lang. We are at support areas for PIP. So wait for the bounce for PIP. Definitely, most probably, it will bounce at its support. So PIP, wait for the bounce. SG Morales, sir, sana balik tayo sa YouTube. Mas mabilis at magandang buffer ng stream. Happy trading. Yeah, sige, I'll try my best para ma-open ko yung YouTube. Nagre-research ako ngayon na magkapag-stream sa Facebook and YouTube at the same time. So, let's try to do that. Right? I'm gonna be researching that this week. Alright? Sara Duran Balyeza, thank you for the records from Hong Kong. You're welcome. MPI, JM De La Rosa. MPI, definitely is a buy. Right? MPI, kakabounce niya lang for its little retracement right there. Napakalit ng retracement. Nag-take profits lang yung mga tao dyan. But, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. So, MPI is definitely a buy. Andyan yung top list ko ngayon. Patrick Franz, good morning. Top picks please. Yan, pinost na natin. Pa-shoutout po kay Ruth Alvarez from Drake Paan Noto. My wife. Yan, I love you daw. Sabi ni Drake. Yan. Sir, kinikilig ako. Wing Gloria Maxis. Yan, si Maxis naman, definitely on an uptrend. But we missed, if you missed this bounce already, wag mo munang habulin. Just wait for it to do a retracement again before you get in. Kasi mataas na si Max. Right? Pa-shout out to my friend Bryle. Happy birthday. Bryle from Leia Las Cunha. Sheila, IRC. Si IRC naman, isa rin yan sa mga missed opportunities na if hindi pa kayo nakapasok. Malapit na siya sa resistance. So, konting ingat lang. Iwas na muna kayo. Richie Go, Bloom. Definitely a buy. This is a good bounce for Bloom. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I think Bloom is gonna bounce anytime soon the past few days. And nag-bounce na nga siya. This is the entry point for Bloom. Pasok na kay Bloom. Isa yan sa top picks ko for today. Joanne Relampagos, CLC. Let's talk about CLC. Right, last two questions. It's 9:24. Napakabilis ng oras with you guys. Right, CLC naman, buy as long as this support holds for CLC. As for CLC, last one lang. Herbie Emmanuel Medalya. Yan, very good question. Si CEB naman. Right, CEB. Yan, si CEB, nag-break yung support niya. So mga hindi pa nakapasok, wait lang muna kayo for bounce, right? Let it make a new support. Sa mga nakapasok na, maliit pa naman yung risk nyo. It's not yet time to cut your losses. And then, malapit pa, napakalapit pa lang, napakalit pa lang ng risk niyo. So not yet time to cut your losses. Baka it will bounce anytime soon for CEB, right? That's it for the questions. So a little lesson lang before we part ways. Today, guys, si ATN and ATNB, again, there is no reason. I don't see any reason why you shouldn't have ATN and ATNB in your ports. Okay? Mag-cost averaging kayo dyan. Don't think as a trader kay ATN. Don't worry about sa mga naipit yesterday. This is not a bubble. Not like yung nangyari kay Now. Natakot kay Now nung ang daming kaipitan kay Now. The difference here with Now, yung climb ni Now is that Now was a bubble. That was speculative. Walang laman yun. Right? But this one, this climb ni ATN, may laman ito. Billion na bato ang laman. Right? So, yeah. Again, there's no reason why you should not have ATN in your ports, and no reason why you shouldn't have MPI in your ports also. Si APX naman, nasa top picks din natin yan. Ganda ng earnings. Very good performance for APX. Bravo to them. They deserve the climb, and this is it for APX. So, yun, don't be afraid with ATN, right? If it goes down, just buy more. Huwag kayong magka-cut loss, right? Trust me on that. So, that's it for today. It's already 9:25. Thank you so much for your patronage. 500 views. Amazing, guys. I didn't expect for the program to be this successful. I owe it all to you. Thank you so much. That's it for today. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye-bye.